You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation. This has different meanings. It's an acronym. Probably the most famous meaning is the WRC. If you want to learn more car-related vocabulary and names that are confusing, stay tuned. It stands for the World Rally Championship. WRC. WRC. English pronunciation. How to pronounce WRC. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.